So I just want to let you all know, because I have run across this issue before. If there is any recording going on in the courtroom, that needs to be done ahead of time with my approval. So I would certainly hope that you gentlemen would not be doing that without express request of me.
And that goes for video recording or audio or both?
It goes for any recording. That needs to be done ahead of time. There needs to be a request made of this court by me and with my subsequent approval. So I would hope that nobody would be violating that rule. So if you are, and you haven't made that request, you need to shut your recorders off. I'm going to assume that you're recording and you never asked me.
It's a audio recording, not video. It's my understanding that it was...
Is there a reason why you didn't ask me?
Because it was my understanding that I'm allowed to do so as a constitutional right.
Really? So you read that in the Constitution? You want to tell me where it says that?
Well, what's not forbidden is allowed, and there's no...
Is that what it is?
Is it not?
Really?
Does this courthouse not allow audio recording in the courtroom?
If under a what I call it an obscure Supreme Court rule, which I had to be educated upon, it allows recording, but if anybody's going to record in the courtroom, they need to make a request in advance. They need to get approval by the trial judge or the judge overhearing the case for that permission to do so. Well, where in the Constitution does it say that you don't have to do that?
Well, the Constitution says we have a freedom of press, freedom of religion, freedom of speech, freedom to assemble, and freedom to petition our government.
T-minus 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 3, 2, 1, 0, and...
Houston now controlling. Atlantis begins its penultimate journey to shore up the International Space Station.
You to continue to record this proceeding. Just to let you know, we are recording the proceeding. The proceeding is being recorded. But next time you're in court, please make sure that you ask the judge ahead of time.